Hey guys, it's me, Brianna. So today I'm gonna do a crunchy slime kind of. So yeah, let's just get it. And then at the end of the video, when I'm all done with everything, do some ASMR and two of my favorite slimes. The one slime that, and then the other slime that is right there, but you can't see. So let's get started. So things you need is some white glue. It could be clear glue, but I'm just gonna use some white glue. It's by Crazy Hearts Wash Bomb, but again, new one. Some little crunches. I have these. These are like charms, but I'm gonna try them on to see if they hurt. If they do, then I just take them off. Some borax. My borax is in here because I don't have a good container in it. So here, borax in here. A mixing spoon and a bowl, or a mixing spoon and a bowl. It's like old stuff, but that's okay. And then that's it. So the first thing you do is add as much glue as you want. You can add a little bit. Oh god. Oh jeez. Too much glue. That's it. And I got this for $4 only, so that price. I'm gonna add a little bit. So I can get some more of these, so it doesn't matter. Then I have some borax. It should be simple slime with just a lotion, so it doesn't matter. So we're gonna get this soak in a little easier. Oh, we don't let this like. I hate when slime is not connected. Like when it's connected, I'm like, okay, it's happy, I'm fine. Like I love looking at it. So everything is down, settled. We add about a little bit of borax, like that much of borax. This. So I'm just gonna mix this slowly, so that most of the glue stays at the bottom and on the top. I might need some more. Borax. I think I should have shaken it. I think so I'm gonna shake it. I think I already shook it in the intro, but I don't know. I forgot. It's okay if it's already clumpy, because you know. It's still not working, so let's add a little bit more of some borax. So, okay, a little bit sticky. Yeah, it's a little bit hard, but you just have to add some any like kind of glue you use, because a lot of people use different kinds. I just used the old Elmer's glue, which it's pretty small, so I don't really think you could do ASMR, but it's okay. It's not that stretchy, because it's really sticky. You don't want it too sticky, but sticky. A little bit too sticky, so. A bit too sticky than normal, so I'll just add a little bit, so add it over my hair on there. So I'm so sorry, I'm just have to make the perfect slime, or a good slime. A little less stickier, but still really sticky. So it's actually pretty stretchy for the consistency. You want it pretty sticky, but not too massively sticky. Look at it. You think the actor is working? Someone must have put something in. Okay, I lied. with all the borax up there, so just add some, a bit sticky than a normal slime. Super. This is like, because I don't really think slime is super sticky. Like, sometimes they're not sticky for me, but some are. Like, the ones that are sticky are not sticky for me. Like, other think like, wow, dang, those are pretty sticky. And the ones that are sticky for me, boy, that's like not even done for them. So let's have more of some solution. I think we're done for now. Yeah. This is the slime. It's pretty small. I don't know how much we need. This one looks pretty sticky, but you want it like sticky, but not massively sticky, you know. Now we're gonna add the slime. We're gonna add our beads. So these I think they're kind of herb. I don't know. A bit harder than any other beads. So let's add some in. Make sure they're not inside of the slime. That's good. I think we're gonna a couple for now. We're gonna start with a little bit. If you can see, we have a little bit. I feel like these are gonna be kind of crunchy. I think we're gonna need the whole bag. Even for this small amount, I thought we would need like 2 bags because I was gonna make a big slime, but then yes, I'm only gonna make a small amount. So we're gonna add some more. We're gonna add a lot. We're just gonna add them in for these. Pick them up as much as you can pick them up. So all of them pretty much. So this is actually a really cool texture. I've actually never felt this texture. They're pretty hard, so it was like it's not really that crunchy as a normal slime would be. But wait, this is really sticky, so we can add us some borax. So it's just getting all sticky to our hands. Because you don't want them to stick to your hands. It's supposed to not be sticky, it's supposed to be. Our kids are making like some recipes. So this is the slime. It's not as crunchy as I expected. It's still pretty sticky, but you can kind of. It'll be cool if you had clear slime with these beads. It'll be super cool. This is kind of like a fishbowl kind of, but without beads. Show you. You should kind of see them. It's super stretchy. It's actually a weird consistency. Actually, I really like this consistency. So this slime is a thumbs up. This is smaller than my other slime. My other slime is jumbo. It's okay. Such a cool. Next time I buy beads, like colorful ones, and then I make like chips or cereal slime. Be cool. I think I kind of underdone it. But it's actually a really cool slime. So it's just some poop cells and you know all that jam. So yeah, I really hope. Now I'm gonna show you the other one that I'm gonna show you. There's so much ice, but it's okay. I'm just gonna show you later. So we have this jumbo one, super jumbo. I'll take my desk. It's actually more sticky than the other one, so I think I'm gonna add some borax. It's jumbo, it's pretty huge. And some borax, just a drizzle. It's like that much for drizzle. It would that are a little more. Here's the trick: when it's jumbo and you add a little bit, that's not really doing anything this time. Actually, because it's jumbo, it's just making like this big of a piece jumbo. You need to add lots, like this. If I add a shaving cream, I'm gonna have to add like not even like maybe 1/3 of the bottle. It's super sticky. It's super, like it's not even drizzle. It's just okay. So yeah, hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, peace.